us about your role at Janssen.
Yeah, so Michael, I'm the data science lead for Cork, based in the south of Ireland for Janssen Sciences. And my role is very much around enhancing the process and optimising the process using cutting edge data analytics and new technologies. So a big project we're working on is multivariate analysis. So taking all of our data into one place, bringing it in, simulating the process, doing that real futuristic aspect, and identifying outcomes before they even happen to enhance the process and enhance the product.
Now, one thing that comes up a lot with data science, you hear this a lot, that 80% of your work is actually data prep and organization, or 50%. Is it really that bad?
It is about 80%, but Janssen, we're trying to cut that down by creating better, more innovative tools to start reducing that 80% down to more of an 8%.
Now, does the Pi system help at all in that regard?
Absolutely. Pi is great. Pi connects everything together. It creates a centralized location for our data. It makes it so easy and applicable to pull it together into one location and very easily sends that out to the systems we want to analyze it with.
Now, give us also an example. How large are the data sets you're talking about? I mean, pharma apparently has this reputation of being like, on the extreme end of that.
Absolutely, Michael. So there's every model we build has over 1 million data points in it, and that's a small model. Some of the ones I'm only working on one recently, and we have 2 or 3 million individual observations. Now, you can imagine the computing power that takes. You can imagine the stress of that. OSI though makes it so much easier to actually handle that volume of data.
Now, how is it, when you make your breakthroughs, how is it rolling it out to the different facilities around the world? I mean, is there a lot of variation in location because of environment?
Absolutely, you've got cultural differences, site differences, and individual regulatory differences, and that's the most difficult part. Each individual country has a whole different regulatory body, as well as several external regulatory bodies, and having to roll that out and interact with them to make sure their quality departments are in support, make sure the individuals are supporting, that can be tough, but we've done a great job in doing it, and we have it rolled out across 4 to 5 manufacturing facilities now.
Oh, excellent. Thank you very much.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, Michael.